Hello again and welcome back. So I'm going on my first ever hen do. My friend Priyanka is getting married and we're going to Zante. What a throwback to being 18, going to Zante after sixth form, but we're going back and it's all very exciting. So I thought we could kind of prep together. I've already got my hair done, the roots are done, and then next I need to get my nails done and hopefully my toes as well, and potentially eyebrows. I need to get some euros out. So we're having a proper holiday prep with me video here. But the most exciting part is my luggage. So we've got cabin bags and then like carry-on bags, but not a check-in bag, which for me is stressful. I like to overpack, but I have a choice. So you may see behind me, so I've got the all black that I think I'm leaning more towards, or I've got the kind of like Pinterest aesthetic, vanilla girl aesthetic cream. So this is from a brand called, I think it's pronounced Kabaqoo. I'll leave all the details in the link below, but this bag is unreal. This makes me want to go with the cream. This could literally be my cabin bag, to be fair. It's one of those bags that has everything you could possibly need. Let me just show you everything it has.
So the first thing I love about this bag is that it's got one of those sections at the back that you can slide onto the handle of a suitcase. I just love when a bag has that because then it feels like you have one piece of luggage all together and you're not carrying loads all at once. Then a huge feature of this bag is a whole bottom compartment for shoes. How good is that? Because how annoying is it when your shoes are like touching your clothes when you pack your bag? And not only that, but the shoe compartment has vents in it. What a genius concept. And on their website it says it can store up to 2 pairs of shoes, but I honestly think you could squeeze more in there. Then still, before we've even got into the main part of the bag, you've got this front section that has these great little front compartments that I'd probably use if I was like on a work trip for stationery or something. And then this little clip that can be used to hang like your keys so you don't lose them, or whatever you want really. I just love it. Another huge pocket on the side, and then you may be wondering what this little thing is. Now let me show you. Let's open up into the main section of the bag. It actually connects to this lead that you plug into your portable charger, and then you can charge your phone through the bag. How cool is that? Then I feel like this is such a perk of the bag, but you get this cute little bag inside of it as well, which could be used for like makeup or again stationery, pens, whatever you need, but it's so handy. And I love that you get like a bag within a bag. And then if the bag's getting quite heavy, you've also got this shoulder strap to make it way easier for you to carry around, which I love, and all the extra pockets inside as well. I know I sound a bit obsessed, but I just love when I find a nice handy bag like this, so I really felt like I needed to share that one. And the fact that it comes in this very vanilla girl aesthetic Pinterest colour just really makes it a 10 out of 10 from me. And here it is on the handle of my cream case. I mean, how well do they go together? Moving on to the next bag. I think this is the one I'm going to take to start with, just because we're going to Zante and I don't want that cream getting ruined. So this is the Travel Duffel tote bag in black. And just to start, you can see how handy it is with all these pockets on the outside, which are just perfect. I know I'll be putting water in the sides of these, anything that I need to access really quickly. And again, it's got my favourite, a strap on the back that you can slide onto your case, and a back pocket. It's got such sturdy handles as well. And then I just found another pocket out of nowhere on the side, which I'm obsessed with. I just love how much you can fit in this bag. I had already started packing it because I decided this was the bag I was going to take. So inside there are so many compartments on this one, and the pockets are so deep, so it works so well. It's the perfect size for a carry-on bag. So I've already popped in some little cereal bars, as you can tell. I love Deliciously Ella. Then I've got my passport wallet case. I've packed loads of scrunchies for all the girls on the hen, and then there's a white one for the bride as well, which I thought was cute, so they're going to go in my hand luggage as well. Gosh, I'm even surprising myself watching this bag at how much you can fit in. That's my entire makeup bag. I've even put a handbag for the evening in there. There's so much. And again, this one comes with a shoulder strap, which I will definitely be using because I am going to be putting so much in this bag because I want to make the most of all those pockets. So yeah, I can't wait to use this bag, and I finally feel like I found the perfect airport bag. And there's the other one on the case. How sleek does that look? Just looks so good, all tied together on the black case. I'm ready to go. I just need to finish packing now and I'll be all set. So after this, I then went and got my nails done. I was thinking of going for a fun colour but chickened out, and I went for an off-white colour. There they are before. I literally just got the same again, and the same on my toes, and there are the finished nails. Straight after that, I went and got my eyebrows done. So I was feeling all ready and pampered for the hen.
So that's me all done. Thank you so much for joining me on this mini travel prep with me. Hopefully I'll get some footage while I'm out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.